So today, let's welcome Shania. Come in. So what are we gonna do today? So she'll be helping me today to unbox the, what is that?
The iPhone.
The new brand of iPhone. So, okay, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the
Unboxing. The phone case, and this is the shelf. Let's open it now. I'm so excited. Oh my god.
Okay. Ooh. That's the casing.
That's the phone case. My cousin's favorite color.
Okay, let's see. This one. Okay. iPhone 14. You have to be very, very careful. So that's that. It's the iPhone 14. And now we have that. What is this? That's the cable charger. So they have this kind of thing, like if you want a sticker, you want to stick on the back side of the phone, like a design or something. So that's good. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That looks good. I have to be very careful because we have to clean it later. So alright, so we're gonna do the next, what is this? Screen protector.
Alright, here's come the Miss Beautiful. Okay. In these ones. Alright.
That's nice. So we are doing the, what's this?
Scrubbing, of course.
Okay. Should be it. Oh my gosh! I can imagine the cell phone people, the sellers are like, have this job very experienced. They're very experienced with their job. And it's my first time fixing a phone like that. Actually cleaning it up.
Here is the madam.
Is it? What do you think? Be careful with it, huh? Because we don't want to.
Oh. Protect your phone better.
Yes.
Just a little bit careful, of course.
Oh, what's that? Oh yeah.
It's coming.
Ooh. Oh wait, don't open yet. Don't open yet. Okay, now I will have to put that one. Okay, that's it, right? That's it.
Protect your phone back for cleaning these. Cleaning wipe. Use wipe to clean device. Or maybe this is for these.
Later.
Alright. Oh, I forgot to remove the paper. And look, I got a cell phone. Mama, may
What's that, Chan?
cellphone. Dalawang cellphone.
That's your other cell phone. Peel this layer first to avoid touching adhesive.
That's the screen, that's the screen, that's the screen.
This is making me nervous. Try my best. My God.
Ako na lang kayo naglagay, ma.
Wait lang. This is too much for me. Oh my goodness. Ah!
Ganyan talaga siya pag dinidikit.
Okay. It's like that. Okay.
Kala mo crack eh, no?
Ah!
Ganyan talaga siya, ma.
Are you sure?
Oh.
Alright, okay. I'll try to listen to you, honey.
It's like that pag dinidikit.
Slowly, no? We do it slowly. The most dangerous thing I ever did. Not really. I'm exaggerating it, really. These bubbles need to come out. My goodness. Oh my. I can imagine this job is not easy. Do you think it's easy? No. Now I know why we need the seller to do it for us.
It's okay, it's gonna end later.
Okay, okay. We'll try later, I guess. Alright, alright, alright. Uh-huh. Oh my.
It's just like that.
Uh-huh.
No need to make it it's just like that.
Okay.
Wait.
Alright, success. We are successful. I have no idea if I did that right. I made a mistake earlier because you're supposed not to clean the... Ta-da!
Maybe this one first.
No, we can't. We can't do that. This is like a screen protector like that, eh.
See?
That's cool. Yeah, that's very nice. It comes with a protector. There.
I think so.
Wow.
On.
Purple. That's... Oh. It's like that. Oh, ta-da! Ano ba yun?
Oh, he says hello. You say hello. He says hello.
We have to set it up manually. So now we're gonna do the face, how to set up the face ID. First position your face, blah blah. So the phones, when the phone is like very new, it's asking you to like set up the face ID. And so then you have to capture. And basically I got this phone as a birthday gift. I would like to thank you, the person that gave this to me. So we're gonna do it now. Okay, this one face. Let's try. Oh, it's making me nervous. Oh god. Lower. It says lower. How did I do that?
It says lower.
Okay, lower. It's so lower now. Position your face within the frame.
Yeah. Move back a little bit.
Move back a little bit. Move your head slowly to the complete circle. That's so strange. Our face ID is now set up. Click continue and we're gonna create a password, the last step. Okay, now password secret. Only me has to know. Okay. What could be my password? Transfer, restore, iCloud, restore my from iPhone, don't transfer apps data. So so this phone, I'm gonna use it for like my business transaction. So we have few choices. First one is restore from the iCloud. That's restore. Restore from the iCloud. Restore from Mac or PC. Transfer directly from iPhone. Move data from Android, and don't transfer apps and data. So you can basically personalize it the way you want it. So I'm gonna click don't transfer apps and data. And yeah, sign in with your Apple ID, is iCloud Store, blah. So I'm gonna click the don't have an Apple ID. We're gonna create a free Apple ID. And then when you don't have an Apple ID, since I want it completely, all new information, so don't worry, because you have an option. You can create a free Apple ID. It's completely free, so it's very easy. Create a free Apple ID. So it's gonna ask you for your first name, and then last name, and your birthday. What's my birthday?
January 31.
Oh, yeah, she got it. After you set up your Apple ID, the next thing to do is the phone number. So the phone is going to ask you for a phone number. And then it has a country. We're going to choose Philippines. Philippines. Oh my gosh, that's too far. So, Philippines. So I realized after hours of trying to find out how to insert a SIM card into the iPhone 14, we realized we cannot insert a SIM card into the iPhone 14. So because so what we have to do is actually transfer your SIM card from your other iPhone digitally, like eSIM card. They call it now eSIM card, and you can use iOS 16 software that can actually handle more than one SIM card. So I think that's pretty cool because everything is like digital, and then you can add more SIM card when you're like a traveler, things like that. So for me, it's kind of very new. So it's just we'll have to adapt it. Screen time, get weekly report about your screen time and set time limits for apps you want to manage. You can also use screen time on children's devices and set up parental controls. I will do that later since this phone is mainly for my business. Share with Apple analytics. So basically they ask you to share analytics and stuff, so it helps Apple to basically improve its products and services, and I think that's very good if we're able to help them and they're able to help us, use the product and make it more accessible for us at the same time. So in the meantime, all analysis is performed using privacy preserving techniques such as differential privacy and snapshot you and your account. Secret, we have the display zoom. What else? Oh, emergency SOS. iPhone is ready to help in an emergency. Press and hold for emergencies. Crash detection chemical. Alright. So it's pretty easy. You just follow the steps once you unbox and then